for the audience who hasn't lived it, walk us through why the lab to commercial manufacturing transition in biologics is so brutal. Why does deep process and molecule knowledge so rarely translate into knowing how to build a plant that makes it at scale?
Yeah, I spoke to some people recently that are very experienced in the lab scale, and they do have all the process understanding. But all the logistics and all the compliance requirements are, for most people, something new. Going from the lab scale where you're basically research and development, and then moving to the part where you produce drugs for patients is a huge step. And and also understanding what is really important when you build a facility. How much do you want to control yourself? How much demand will you have after building the facility? How many fixed costs will you have? And could you, to mention something like the whole buffer makeup, is that something you really want to establish at the get-go or from the get-go, or do you want to outsource that? Then you make a fixed cost, a variable cost that can make it easier to fund the investment and easier to bridge the transition from maybe low utilization into a better utilization.